Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix YouTube Vanced not working. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to look for your YouTube application, and if you encounter this kind of problem, what you're going to do is to long press your YouTube application and then click this app info right here. Then you will see these options, but you have to tap this storage usage. First, you have to click this clear cache, and then after that, you have to click this clear data. Once you tap this clear data, they will ask you a confirmation and a warning, and all you have to do is to click OK. Now, once done, you have to click this arrow going back. And then what you're going to do next here is to simply go to permissions, and you have to make sure that the storage, phone, microphone, and other features right here are under allowed. So one of the reasons why I encounter problem like this on your YouTube is that you haven't allowed this, or these features are under denied. So you have to click allow, and then once done, you can exit your YouTube. And the very last thing to do here is to go to your Play Store. If you're using Android, you have to update your YouTube application for you to know that you're using the latest version of this application, or the version of features are up to date. So in this case, you can avoid this YouTube events not working on your YouTube application. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.